Hello, this video is for all of you who've gone to the Unity store and downloaded some packages and good fun stuff. Generally, what Unity wants to do is not load those assets up. They can make your projects very bulky, can introduce lag, can do all these other problems that might get you in trouble. So by nature, it's not going to try to attach any of the things that you've bought or just got free from the library. Instead, what it's going to try to do is allow you to pick which ones you want to use. Now, you can do it in game, but the easiest way to do it is right when you're creating your new project. So here's my new Unity project. See this button right here? I want you to click on this. I have only 3. The rest of mine were wiped. So you may have a whole host of these if you've been downloading from the Unity store. But when you do that, all you have to do is pick the ones you want. Or hey, why not? Let's talk about a free bandana time. And hit done. And as soon as you create the project, it's going to infuse those access packages into your project so that you can use them right away. That's just a quick tip for anyone who needs it.